Mehwish says, what about Ghazwat-e-Hind? Is this authentic or not? Yes, there are many hadith that are weak, and there are some hadiths that are authentic. And the scholars say that this battle would inevitably happen at the end of time. Some say that this would happen when Isa ibn Maryam, peace be upon him, and his mother descends, where he kills the Antichrist, ad-Dajjal. This is when it will take place, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. However, Muslims don't occupy their time and themselves into the future rather than fixing their present. Before that time comes, we may be long gone, and Allah only knows. So we are going to be held accountable for our actions. What did we do, and what have we failed in doing? Not about whether there will be this Ghazwatul Hind or the Mahdi is coming or not. All of this we believe in. But if we just sit on our lazy chair and contemplate about this era that is going to come, that would be negative thinking, in the sense that whenever we sit with our friends and we discuss all the vice and evil things happening in our era, we usually justify what's happening by saying what we see of vice and evil is the result of those who came before us. And those who will come after us will solve these problems. Okay, then what's my role? What's your role? I said, nothing. We have just come at the wrong time, at the wrong place. So this is the doing of those who came before us, and no one will be able to fix it except those who will come after us. And we are negative. We have negative, zero impact on things, and this is wrong. You have to do something in order to progress, to improve the things that are happening in your community and in life, and Allah knows best.